Okay, no more messing around. I'm just gonna record the video. All right, got my coffee and my Boxycharm. Let's do an unboxing. That really just sounded like the bird. I don't know if you guys watch her, but she always goes, let's go. What's up, you guys? Sorry to interrupt real quick here, but I just had to do something that I pretty much forget to do every single subscription video, and that is that this is Boxycharm right here. And if you guys are unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service that you pay $21 for, and you'll receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup and skincare to beauty tools and color cosmetics. And each box does have a minimum value of $100. All right, back to the video. I've seen some of the spoilers, I'm not gonna lie. I know that you get something from Glam Glow, and I know that's why the boxes are longer this time, but I don't know like anything that I got inside other than that, really. Okay, so right when you open the box, this is what it looks like. Okay. And then the insert is says make waves, and then of course it says all the stuff that we have inside. Ooh. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, so the first thing we have here is a Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And here is what it looks like. I love the packaging for this. It pretty much just says this is a daily conditioning gel cleanser. Gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. So we'll give that a try. It's pretty big, it's a good size. It says that this retails for $28, so. And I've never tried anything through Glam Glow. I just love the packaging though. I love the oil slick look, that's so awesome. All right, the next thing we will look at here is, this is what I was interested in when I was kind of peeking, and that's Dose of Colors. And this is, ooh, liquid matte lipsticks. So your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. Awesome, and that retails for $18. I have never tried anything from this brand either, but I'm excited. I love this color. It says it's in color Lazy Daisy. And let's see. Wait. Okay, so it says Lazy Daisy right here, but in here it says New Bestie. So I'm not sure actually what, this might be just Lazy Daisy liquid matte lipstick. Oh, I love the frost. Look at that, you guys. Wow, we have a doe foot applicator. Let's see if we can just swatch a little bit of that color. Ooh, that is pretty. You know what this color reminds me of? It's Daisy May by Colleen Ballinger, or Miranda Sings. She has her lipstick. This reminds me of her Daisy May color, which I absolutely love. Definitely gonna have to try that. It looks like a really good color for me. What do you guys think? I think so. We'll give that a try. All right, and the next thing I'm pulling out here is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London. Color Shifting Pigments. Okay, lightweight, fallout free. And then it says Cupid right here. I don't know if that's something for Ciate London or if it's any indication of the color that we have. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, this is so pretty. And we have to swatch this. I don't wear stuff like this a lot, but I want to get more comfortable with it, but that's honestly the reason why I don't wear it, is because I'm not comfortable, but I absolutely love to look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it's a topper. If you guys can see when I like shift it back and forth here, let's see. So when I shift it one way, it's more see-through. And then when I shift it another way, it's like blam, like some gold craziness. So hopefully you guys can see that shift. But yeah, it's definitely a topper because you don't want it to be that like, it's like gold foil on from one angle, but then when you turn and then it's kind of streaky, purpley color. But I love this. I love effects like this. So I will definitely give that a try too. I have to just get more comfortable. I have to just use these more because that's how I would get more comfortable with it. 100%. Oh, I love this though. It's so pretty, you guys. Okay, all right, let's see what else we have here. It's like folded up. Almar Colorette Blush Trio in Fair to Light. Ooh, okay. There's those. And let's, ooh, it has a nice little mirror too. Cute, cute. Okay, oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so let's swatch them here. Those are creamy. Oh, that just glides on. And it's not very much that you have to touch. Oh my gosh, that's so creamy. It's almost like chalk. But it's not chalky, but it feels like you're just like dipping in like some wet, soft, like chalk, like sidewalk chalk. It feels really good. It's not wet though. It's just that kind of feel, I don't know. It's very nice, I love it. And these are beautiful colors too, perfect for summer. All right, and then the last thing we have in here is a eye pencil. It's Bodyography, and that's in Emerald. Is there plastic on this? No, there's not, okay. Ooh, that's really cool. There's the color. That's really cool. I'm gonna put some of this on. It goes on really easy. It's really pigmented. Very pretty. I like that. I'm not sure how to exactly wear it, but I'm really liking it though. I just love colorful stuff. I love stuff like a pop of color. I absolutely like die. Love it. Okay, so I'm really happy with Boxycharm this month. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of your Boxycharm. What did you get different in your Boxycharm? As far as the variation and stuff, I'm really happy with the liquid lip. As far as just the individual stuff, happy with the pencil. Gonna figure out exactly how I wear that. The liquid lip I feel like is a good shade for me. Blush, awesome shade, awesome for summer. That's something I definitely lack in is blushes, because as you know from my previous videos, I'm very intimidated by blush. I feel like as soon as I throw a blush on, I mess up my look. So we're gonna try it out though, mess around with it, get more comfortable with it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a like if you did, and make sure if you're not already subscribed, you do so also. And I will just see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!